Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for any travel first aid kit, the Neosporin Original First Aid Antibiotic Ointment.
Whether you're hiking, camping, or simply on the go, this little tube can be a lifesaver.
Stick around as we explore why this is the best travel Neosporin you can get.
Neosporin has been a trusted name in first aid for decades, and this original antibiotic ointment continues that legacy.
Its compact size and versatility make it perfect for travel emergencies. But what sets it apart? First off, it's formulated with neomycin, polymyxin B, and bacitracin zinc. The triple antibiotic protection you need to prevent infection in minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. The ointment also contains cocoa butter, which helps keep the skin moisturized and aids in healing. Applying it is straightforward. Clean the affected area, then apply a small amount of Neosporin. Cover with a sterile bandage, and you're good to go. Its long-lasting formula means you won't have to reapply frequently. Perfect for when you're exploring new places and don't have time to fuss over minor wounds. Now, let's talk travel. This Neosporin variant comes in a compact tube, making it TSA-friendly and easy to slip into any carry-on or backpack. It's a game-changer when you're abroad or even just navigating through crowded airports. Plus, its effectiveness in preventing infections means you can enjoy your trip worry-free. Personally, I've used Neosporin on numerous trips, from remote camping spots to bustling cities. It saved me from potential infections and allowed me to focus on enjoying my adventures. That peace of mind is priceless, especially when you're far from home. Compared to other travel-sized first aid ointments, Neosporin stands out not just for its trusted brand name, but also for its proven track record in wound care. While other products may promise similar benefits, few deliver the reliability and peace of mind that Neosporin offers. Have you tried Neosporin while traveling? Share your stories in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it's helped you on your adventures. In conclusion, whether you're a frequent traveler or just looking to bolster your first aid kit at home, Neosporin Original First Aid Antibiotic Ointment is a solid investment. Its effectiveness, portability, and ease of use make it an essential companion for any journey. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and travel tips. Until next time, safe travels.